hold this corner for a second?
Yeah, got it.
Thanks. The wind's picking up again.
It always does, right when we're doing laundry.
At least it'll dry fast today.
True. Do we still have more shirts in the basket?
Yeah, a few. I didn't realize we had this much.
Same. I guess we kinda let it pile up.
Busy week. It happens.
Pass me a clothespin?
Here, careful, that one's a bit loose.
Oh, yeah, it almost slipped.
We should buy new ones. These are like 10 years old.
Add it to the list.
I already did. You just never check the list.
I check. Sometimes.
Uh-huh.
Hey, I try.
I know. It's fine.
This towel's still kinda damp from the wash.
Yeah, the washer overloaded a bit. My fault.
No big deal. It'll dry out here.
Can you fold that edge in? It keeps flipping back.
Like this?
Yeah, that's good.
We're almost done, right?
Just these two pillowcases.
Cool. My back's already complaining.
Getting old, huh?
Don't remind me.
Here, take this one.
Thanks. It smells nice.
New softener. I wasn't sure if you'd like it.
No, it's good. Kinda fresh.
Good.
You hungry? We haven't eaten since noon.
Yeah, I could go for something light. Maybe noodles?
Sounds good.
Okay, last one.
Done. Let's go inside before the sun melts us. Yeah, got it. It always does, right when we're doing laundry. True. Do we still have more shirts in the basket? Same. I guess we kinda let it pile up. Pass me a clothespin? Oh, yeah, it almost slipped. Add it to the list. I check. Sometimes. Hey, I try. This towel's still kinda damp from the wash. No big deal. It'll dry out here. Like this? We're almost done, right? Cool. My back's already complaining. Don't remind me. Thanks. It smells nice. No, it's good. Kinda fresh. You hungry? We haven't eaten since noon. Sounds good. Done. Let's go inside before the sun melts us.
Can you hold this corner for a second? Thanks. The wind's picking up again. At least it'll dry fast today. Yeah, a few. I didn't realize we had this much. Busy week. It happens. Here, careful, that one's a bit loose. We should buy new ones. These are like 10 years old. I already did. You just never check the list. Uh-huh. I know. It's fine. Yeah, the washer overloaded a bit. My fault. Can you fold that edge in? It keeps flipping back. Yeah, that's good. Just these two pillowcases. Getting old, huh? Here, take this one. New softener. I wasn't sure if you'd like it. Good. Yeah, I could go for something light. Maybe noodles? Okay, last one.